So September is over and it's October 2nd, and I want to go ahead and just update the back-end analytics for my YouTube automation channel. Alright, so as far as content goes, I've been publishing pretty consistently. I haven't missed a day in a while. Like, I haven't missed my 4-day-a-week schedule. And what I've actually been doing is actually increasing production. So since I stopped my second channel temporarily, I'm actually putting all resources into this channel just because I see this one's growing at a more rapid rate. So I wanted to go ahead and just give it some more boost. And alright, so starting over here, I have one scheduled for October 2nd, put one October 1st, September 30th, 29th, 27th, 25th, and you can kind of see it going down the list. And things change right over here. 15th to 17th, this is when I started going for shorts, and you can see it's not a lot, but it is something. And then right here, a few days before, September 15th, actually this was in the morning, I got 53,000 views on a short. So that was one of the most views I got for shorts and just in general for YouTube automation that I posted. And the reason I stopped doing this is because I didn't think I saw a big jump in revenue. And I know shorts you don't get paid revenue for, but I didn't see these shorts being translated into other videos. Now that's probably going to change with the upcoming YouTube Shorts partner program, just because you're actually going to get paid with those. And on top of that, people who are already subscribed to the channel are going to get recommended your long form content. So I might start that back up, but for now I just put a temporary pause. And that was an experiment I was doing myself. So I was editing those videos, not my team. And then here you can see the next highest one was 12,000. And then I got 1,200, 2,900, 2,400. These are still solid views. If I continued it, I know I definitely could have gotten more, but like I said, I just wanted to stop. I posted 18 videos for September. So for this month, October, I'm definitely ramping up production. My goal is to have at least 20 videos out. So I want to post at least 5 times a week, preferably more. So my voiceover actor actually started his own company as far as like recruitment for people goes. So I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll go ahead and try it out. I mean, he's been with me for a while, so I'm like, I want to see what his people can do. And so far, his video editors have been pretty solid. I mean, there were like some minor changes. The biggest thing was like the background music was too loud, but that was it. And in the beginning, it was just like subtle little things because I had a guideline for it, so some stuff wasn't followed. But afterwards, I mean, it's been fine. It's been great so far and everything on time. So I'm pretty happy about that decision. I started in June 19th. So that first month, well, the rest of the month, $58.99. The month that follows, it lessened for some reason, so 50.56. August, 97.94. I actually made a video detailing August a little bit as well too, but I never reached 100, as you can see. And then September, 115.42. Now here's the thing, I know I'm still in the negative, but it's nice to see that month over month the general trend is increasing upwards, so I'm pretty happy about that. That's revenue. Now as far as subs go, this month I got 439, the month before 335, 290 the month before, and 296 the month before. So same thing, it's been going steadily up. As far as watch time goes, I mean, I don't really care about this too much. The more that I care about is the retention rate on that channel. I guess that does have to do with watch time, but everything has been increasing so far steadily. And then views, that's where things change, because this month I got 175,000 views. And mind you, the majority of that was because of some of those shorts taking off. So right here you can see it's like drastically different. Starting in June, 47,000 views, 54,000 views, 59, and then all of a sudden 175. It's a pretty crazy jump. And the reason you're still seeing views month over month is because this channel was created back in 2019. It was a DIY channel, and there were like 2 videos that really took off. One with over 1 million views, one with like 250,000. But the reason I stopped doing stuff in that channel was just because the CPM was just super low. It was DIY stuff, so I was getting somewhere between like 25 cents to 50 cents every 1,000 views, and that just wasn't it, so I stopped. And then right over here you can see my subscriber count is at 12,839. Last 48 hours was 3,000 views. And then just diving deeper here, just so you can take a look right here, I mean, you could see July 9th, 2019, that's when I posted that first video that really popped off, and that roughly gets like a little over 1,000 views a day, so 2,300 on the last 48 hours. So that's where like the majority of the traffic is coming from. I was thinking of potentially stopping and unlisting this video just so everything's related to the niche, but this is still bringing in roughly like $1 a day. So I'm like, you know what, let me just leave it here for now. All right, here's another one I posted back in 2019. Another one back in 2019. So they're still getting views to this day, but like I said, again, CPM is super low, so as far as contribution to revenue goes, it's not a lot. For the month of September, so right over here, the one that made the most would be this one, 2733. That's a video I posted back in 2019. And then the next highest one would be right here, 1129. I posted that actually pretty recently. I think it was about a week ago, so it got a good amount of views in a few days. The videos that got me the most revenue were actually the ones that were most recent. So this one, this one, this one, I posted very recently, within the last week or so. And then this video right here, for some reason, it took a while for it to pop off. So, I mean, that's the cool thing about YouTube. You can post something like 1, 2, 3 months ago, years ago, and then you'll still see the revenue later on. So I think this was one of my first videos I posted sometime in month 1, maybe month 2. And it took up until now to actually generate some revenue and generate some views. Next one is right here. This one I also did in September. Did this one in September. This one was September. The least one is this one with 3 cents, but this one was, okay, this was a DIY one right here. This one generated 3 cents. As far as June 19th up until this point, just want to see how everything. These were some of my earlier videos. I believe these right here were back in August. Oh, this one was back in June. The 4th video with the most revenue is going to be one that I just posted this September. And then same thing here, same thing here. I think this is probably due to video quality increasing, going up, and me just being a little bit more focused on like not just the topic, but also like the keywords, the description, the title, the thumbnail. So that's why it's like this. And I know it's not a lot yet, but I know if I keep doing what I'm doing right now, this is definitely going to increase and be more consistent throughout there. And as far as over here goes, you can see playback CPM $5.80 and my RPM is 211. And again, the biggest reason for the skew is going to be because of that video. I mean, it gets me like half my views, if not a little bit more for the month. So it can be skewed. I mean, you could see right here, like back in September 22nd, 952 RPM goes down, boom. And these were the 3 videos that just popped off this last week back in September. So I was pretty happy about that because I thought I wouldn't beat my record from last month, but just because of those 3 videos, boom, we're good. So that's about it. And I also want to thank everybody for supporting me over here. We finally made it to 305 subscribers. That's crazy. So yeah, it just keeps growing every day. And this was the most I ever gained in a month for this personal face channel. But yeah, thank you so much. And also, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to keep seeing more content on my YouTube automation journey. And also let me know if this is something you like seeing, the back-end analytics month to month. I know I did it the month before, and if you guys want to keep seeing it, let me know.